So without the further ado, let's see. Welcome to part 9. So we already have a section footer, so we are going to continue from where we stopped from the footer. So we write a footer, empty left, yeah. So we created a footer. Inside of the footer, we have like a two division because like a sub footer and footer. So it means like two. So we created a footer top and the footer button. So we are gonna make them to be so good. So after that we started from the first one, footer like top. We start footer top, then we move to the footer button. So we open the bracket, and inside of the bracket we are going to creation like a paragraph and like a division that contains some text because we are going to create a text. So here we are going to write why choose us. So it means like some part of the website we are showing why you choose the YS Magic Graphics. So that's why choose us. It's like a question, and under this there is some description that show it means we like the reason why you choose us. So we create a division class of Buddha, can see. So class of Buddha down. So whatever it is, the class you can name it as you like. So no matter which name it is, so you have to take care of it. We get a Buddha deck. Buddha deck, it means Buddha description in short form. I like to use this kind of the short form because it's easier for me and the samples for even you to name the division. So get this kind of division. Let's move to the another portion in order to style the entire division. Or yeah, because it may be either for us. Let's create this one. H1, we are going to add the logo here. You can use like img tag to inside the image here. But in case of me, because I didn't use the image as a logo, so I use only name YS Magic Graphics, so as the name. So no need to add an image, but in your case, you can add the image, whatever. So we create another footer. So we create the footer down. It means like inside of the footer we have a footer down. So because here it's a little bit complicated when you look at how we writing the code, because the division we created division inside of division and make it two. It means like for example, like we have a h1, so and beside h1 we have a footer down. So inside of footer down we have a footer left and we have a footer right. So you can see like creating another division inside of the footer down. So get a empty right. It means like we have a left, we have right. Here we are going to add some menu content. So just I want to copy this one. I need to write it again. Let's take a look and copy this one about home, about contact. So I'm gonna put them over there. No need to like rewriting them again, because it will be easier for me, much more easier for me to do this kind of things. So no need wasting a lot of time. So let me go over there and paste it. So you can use a Control K, Control D, or Shift Alternate F. It's good for you. So whatever you like, you can use your operating system to, or like right right click and give it whatever you like. So it's okay. So and let's collab this one, and because we are going to style the first one, so let's style it step by step. So you can see this kind of little bit the way that I'm doing styling. The way I choose it, because it's good for me to understand which tag and specification. I need to add many classes, like adding a lot of classes on my project. So let's check. So you can see why choose those and other things, but let me give it a style. After that, then you can see it good. So we are going to class a footer top. It means like we are talking about footer top. So at the footer top we have two class. The first one like we have a paragraph under the division, of description. So let's style it. Let's say give it 60 bh. It means when you think about sometimes we add 100 bh, it means height of 100 height. It means like from top to bottom 100. So what this time we make it 60 bh. It means like take think more than half of the 100. Yeah, so we take it as it is, because you can add whatever you like 60, 40, 20, 10, whatever you like to be like in view height. It may calculate the view height of any devices and make it responsive for that device. So I call it a footer top but a paragraph. So because of the reason why I call it a specific footer paragraph by using this kind of tag instead of adding class, it may be good for me because I can use many paragraph, no need to add a lot of classes. So that's why I choose this kind of the way. But in case of you can choose whatever you like. So let's make it a font text align center and a margin 15 pixels. Yeah, it means margin around it. We're gonna make it 15 pixels because we need some space around it, because it may be good for looking. So, and the font size, we make it like bigger as you like, 50 pixels, more than that, whatever you like. Font weight, we make it like bold, or you can use numbers to make it bolder as you like, but just I make it bold because in case you can use like 500, 200, whatever it is. Let's take a look at our website. This is the website. Yeah, it means like the background color we use variables 1. That's why the background color it be like this. If you look our code, you can see the background color. So let's make the text color. When you add color, it means the text color of the paragraph or this kind of P must be white. But let's call another class to make it let's call the class of the footer under footer top, and let's call the class of deck of footer deck. It means footer description. So I tell you, you can directly call the class of the footer deck and style it, but in case of me, I like this way. So whatever you like, you can use it as your like your easiest way and simplest way. No need to like compare yourself with me. Like choose this way. No, it's not necessary for you. Whatever you like, you can use it. Look at the width of text align center width of 700 pixels. Text align, it means I need it to be the center of that space. So that's why I take it as it is. So no matter what it is, you can see why I choose those already. It's white, and under it the description it may be black. So let's style it again and take a look on it again. If we style it, it may be a little bit easier, good looking. Yeah, like this, whatever it is. So let's take a look on it to see how it is. So we make the color to be white of the text because we need text to be always white color. So let's take a look at the text and how it is. So let me add a footer top. I didn't add the width of 100 bh, 100 bw. It means view width. So let's take a look. Little bit of overflow it appears. So let's make it display plex direction. Make it plex direction to be column. Instead of row, we use column. Like make it under it to be justified content center. Align items center. It means each side to be center from left, right, top and bottom to be at the center. That's why I chose this kind of way to make it center. If we take a look, everything is center here. Top, bottom, left, right. It is center. But the overflow, we should avoid the overflow. Let's comment. Yeah, let's comment it. We comment it. But now if you see, there is no overflow. Everything is okay. Everything is good. So everything looks all right. So let's everything here. Oh, so let's move to another section. Why is magic graphics like the last one, and style it to be fast. I'm sorry, this video will make it faster to be okay for everyone. So let's collapse this this division. So because we're going to take it very fast to complete the entire HTML and CSS course, we need it to be simplest way. That's why we make this part 9 very fast. If you didn't understand, you can drop me the comment down below, or like talk to me on my Telegram, or you can find me on Instagram, my Instagram handle, and they talk to each other. 3D Muhammad D. So you can find me over there. So let's take a look and put what is this? Let's say which class we're gonna go. We're gonna talk put down. Yeah, we are gonna call the class put down in order to style the entire put button. Let's take wait a minute. Oh yeah, put but. I make it this here put but. Just I copy the first one. If you look like height of 60 bh, let's make it easier for me because I like to simplify it. Just and copy the before the like the first one styles. So I copy it and paste it here. It may be easier. Change the background color to whatever I like. Let's make it a little bit blue. Yeah, to be like normal, not like maybe a light blue. So to be like dull looking to be alright. So let's yeah, it's been alright. Now not like it direct white color. I make it here. So I make it there. So let's take a look. The height is 60 bh. I will change it there. So I commented the plex in order to see it. Now if we take a look, everything alright. The height is bigger. Let's reduce the height of it, and make it smaller because I don't like to take it 60 pixel and another 60 pixel. It means like 60 view height. It means like a height of 100 view height of the entire page. So I make the first one 60. This one is 40. They take the entire view height of 100 view height, both of them. So let's call the specific class and start styling it step by step. I want to make it so either to everyone good looking, everything is to be so right. So let's take a look on it. No, I forget. Let's add a class of put button and the h2. What is the h2? It means like white magic graphics. If you like think about it, I already mentioned this one. Let's add a pattern of 20 pixels. From each side we need a pattern. Yeah, if we take a look, each side the pattern is added, and no overflow. Everything is alright, because sometimes overflow may cause a little bit of addition of the pattern or something like this. Overflow may be, so no need overflow. So everything is alright. If there is overflow, you can mention it as overflow hidden to be like hidden automatically itself. No need much like class of empty left. And let's take a look. Let's then width of let's give it a width, and I like the description to be a little bit in left side, and the menu should be in the right side. Yeah, so I like that. So let's make it 100 300 pixels, and maybe it looks all right. So let's check it to make sure everything is perfect and everything is going smoothly. And 300 pixels, let's calculate it. So put a button. I need to put a button, put it down. Yes, we need to make it display plex. Yeah, because like there is two content on it. Display plex direction to be row. It means like we need to be like beside it each other, not like under the other ones. So that's why we make it there. Display, we make it like this. So that's why I turn it like that things. So let's take a look on it, and display plex direction should be row. Yeah, even I can leave it as a normally, it may take automatically it may take the row. When I say display flex, it may give it the row view. So space between. Yep, I need to space between each other because I haven't specified the width of this empty left, so that's why. Let's take a look. What? Oh, I forget to add a class. To add dot period before the empty left. Now the style is added. If you take a look, the description and the menu is like beside each other. Just that is interval between them. So we call it space between. Just by content instead of center, we make it space between because we need some like space between them. So that's why I make it there. Let's add a pattern of let's see, pattern of 10 pixels. It means like I need a pattern top top or right, left right button everywhere to be 10 pixels. So I make add a space. So that is, let's reduce this description. It's more like bigger. I use lorem. So whatever it is, you can use lorem as this one. It's okay for you. Don't be worried. Don't be. After you completed the design, you can change it to whatever you like. The full description and the entirely description as you like. So you can make it there. But in case of me, I choose to use lorem. You can see everywhere if there is a lot of text, so I write lorem. Just this style is coming from my brain because I haven't designed how to do this, how to do that. Just it come from my brain, and I'm writing the code in order to show you how the code is being written in a simplest way. Just it's a little bit, not much like deep on this one. I promise you in the future I will provide you the SAS crash course and HTML crash course that can cover all of the topic in one single video. So in the future I'll promise you I will do that for you to be like good at HTML and CSS, to be expert. Yeah. So what we're gonna do next? Think about everything. So right, the class of footer button, footer right, and yeah, I call the anchor tag style for the specific one. The reason why I call it because I wanna add some text decoration and remove it, like underline on the space on that kind of text to be like invisible, yeah, to be hidden. So that's why I call that one. And let's take a look. Font weight to be bold. I like to add some font to be bold, but the size to be smaller. But it's good looking. If it is good for you, you can add whatever you like. Not like exactly what I'm used. So you can add whatever you like, not like mine. So as you like, because everyone have his own choice. So let's take a look. Maybe a little bit of things. Let's take a look what happens. The test decoration, not minute. Let's take a look. What happened? I'm sorry because I get stuck, but because I didn't know where the problem it is. Just let me find the problem. The style didn't how can I say it? The style is not connected correctly. The class, it means we have a little bit of code problem. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, here it's a FT, right, but I call another class instead of this one. Now the style is added, everything okay. So you can find this kind of the problem, but it's okay for you, know how to fix it, and check your code like carefully and find the entire the like specific the which part is the problem it is, and define it and solve the solution. So color to be let's make it the color to be black. So let's take a look. Now everything is alright. So if you take a look at our menu is already like make it aligned, make it good looking to side by the description. So let's take a look what it remaining for us to complete the styling. Let's take a look. So align items, no center, we say end in this situation. Always you can see we use center, but now we say end. It means I need to be at the button of the the division, at the button of the division. So that's why I mention it as a align items to be end, not necessary to be center. Always you can add start, end, center like this. So whatever you like, you can choose it as it is, not like necessary the specific which pattern I'm use. So like font see, we should reduce the font size. I think that it may be affected when we take a look. So font size to be like smaller. So whatever you like, 10 pixels, whatever you like, you can add it. As you can see now, everything is all right. So if we take a look, we completed the entire website, but there is remaining things are there. Like part 10, we will cover it and show you the reason why we leave it at the part 10. So, and I promise you my next course will take a look about computer networking for beginners and like this. So I really want to say thank you so much for your time and have a good time. Enjoy the moment. Let's catch on another video at the part 10 of the HTML and CSS series. This course is done for free.